What's going on, my fine feathered YouTube chicklets? Welcome back again, folks. Thank you for coming back. You know, I get a lot of boxes, man, from you guys. A lot of you don't want me to open them on camera, and a lot of you want me to open them on camera. Some of you want me to open them on camera and you stay anonymous, and others of you want me to tell them your name. It's kind of hard to keep track of. Anyways, I got a couple boxes, and I opened one here already, and I thought, you know, people have been asking me, why do you not do more unboxing videos? So that's what this is. Hey, you want to see more? Of course, I already opened one here. I can show you the contents of it, and I've got one right here yet, right at Christmas time. I have no idea. I know who sent this other first box, and they want to remain anonymous, and, you know, I respect that, so I can't tell you their name. But this box right here's got me puzzled. Hear that? I don't want to dox anybody, but it doesn't say. It's got an address there. But I don't know who this is. Several people told me they're going to send me something. And some of them do and some of them don't. It's like people, when we work on their guitars, you know, I'll get 5 or 6 emails from them wanting me to fix their guitar. And finally I get around to answering it, tell them, yeah, I'll work on it. And they send pictures or whatever, tell me what they want done. I usually, when I send them a price, that's the last I hear of those people. Not everyone's like that, but there's a whole lot of them more like that than not like that. Most of them most of them that say they're going to send me their guitar, they do send it. And before we get started on this, let me say I'm getting more emails and Facebook PMs and PMs than I can almost read, man. I still read them all. I still respond to as many as I can, man. I look for guitar repair in all that stuff. My inbox right now, Gmail inbox, has over 1,000 inboxes in there, unread ones. There, I don't know how many's in there that's already been read, but there's over 1,000 in there right now that's unread. I can't remember how many's on Facebook. It's full too, the inbox on Facebook, and I am sorry, guys. Wow. I am so sorry I can't reply to all of those, to all of you. Like I say, it's getting to the point now I can barely read all of them. But I still do. I still read them all. But, you know, it's just getting very hard to do. Alright. Yeah, I was going to say, if you want to send your guitar, you want your guitar fixed like it's never been fixed, set up like it's never been set up before, put guitar repair in the subject line. Or if you send me a message on Facebook, I don't think they have a subject line, but put guitar repair as the very first thing, and then Dear Randy or Hello Randy or however, whatever. Put guitar repair first, because I look for that, and you know, it's hard to find anything like that you're looking for with that many messages and emails. So if you want to see your guitar on the channel or want it fixed up, want me to work on it, do that, or I will never see it. I would be lucky if I see it if you do it, but you know, like I say, I answer to me. I can't. Alright, stop rambling, man. Let's I'll bring you over closer. I say, come closer. I'm gonna get you. And show you the box already opened here. And we'll get into this one and see what it is. Let's do it! Alright, welcome back, folks. Well, let me clear out a little bit of space here for us to work. This stuff wasn't included. This was sent to me by Rattle Can Guitar. James, thank you for that, man. I use that a lot. That wasn't included with this stuff. Alright, we have here a tiny little inspection mirror. If you look close, you maybe can see yourself in it. I don't know. It's magnified. It's a magnified mirror too. Telescopic. And it's got a little pocket thing or belt thing you hook it onto. It don't have a light. This was all in that one box. This is a telescopic magnet. So if you drop something down inside of a guitar, let me get something metal here. Show you what I'm talking about. See there? I've already used this, man. Just opened it a few minutes ago and I already used it. I had a Martin guitar here and dropped a screw down in it from the sound system, and just took this and reached back in there and picked it right up. It worked perfect, man. And this is kind of the same thing. It's you can extend it. It's got a button here on the end. When you push that button, that happens, and you can pick stuff up that you might not ever otherwise be able to reach. I've got a little one though. Oh, here it is. I've had this for years, man. I used to use this in electronics. I don't know if you can see that or not, but Very tiny. Great though for picking stuff up if you drop stuff, you know, and it's so tiny you can't get a hold of it. The way I shake, man, I can't get a hold of anything. And we got this. It's a magnetic parts holder. So, you know, if I drop something, magnetic screws or whatever down in there, it's got a magnet. I guess that's maybe, I don't know if that's a magnet or not. I guess it is. But that's going to really come in handy right there. I wish I could tell you who sent me this stuff, man, but I can't do it. Okay, showed you that stuff. Oh yeah, an engraver. This is an engraver. Takes batteries. I don't have batteries in there yet. But I can sign you guys guitars now. Any of you want me to sign your guitar before I see it at home, I can carve my name in it. I don't imagine there'll be many of you guys wanting that. Alright, that was the box I opened before I thought to turn the camera on. This, I have no idea, man. You know, the guy that sent me this, you know who you are. Thank you, man, very much for every piece of it. I am truly grateful to you. I just wish I could tell them your name so they could thank you too. And probably would. This is a little package. It's from Monroe Township, New Jersey. I don't know, man, who sent this. I have no clue in the world what this is. It could be anthrax for all I know. It's a little package. It's not very heavy. How many of you guys, be honest now, man, be honest. How many of you guys have been told you got a little package? Woo! Alright, let's get into it. I don't guess there's a top or bottom to it that I can see. So we'll just cut it there and there and across there and across there. I always like to put this knife back up because, just because. I have no idea what this is. Not a clue, man. Not a friggin' clue. Oh, I know what it is now. I'm going to review these. There are websites out there that sell jewelry only for men. I thought they'd forgot about me, man. They reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to. Let me hold it up here where you can get a good shot of it. I'm going to do a review on these and you'll get to see them better later. There's websites out there that sell jewelry for men. This website did. Told me to pick out 4 of whatever sizes I wanted to do that video. That's not this video. Don't mistake it for this video, you guys at this place, because this is not it. I'll do a separate video on these. Let me get it right here. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if I'm holding it in the right. Maybe it goes like that. I don't know the correct orientation for that. Oh, I see what it is. Now it's oriented right. It's a what is it? Like a wolf head. A wolf head. See its mouth. Its mouth is on this end. It's open. I think it's open. Yeah, a little bit. You can see its teeth. Wow, these are nice, man. Anyways, this website reached out to me and wanted me to, I want to know, you know, if I wanted to demo some of their products. I said, well, yeah, man. I like jewelry and stuff. Oh, you're going to like this one. You guys are going to like this. Wow. This will probably be my favorite right here. Can you dig it? Yes, sir. What if that fits? Fits that finger. I could probably, yeah, I can get it on there. Wow, cool. Uh-oh. It's tight, but it fits. I gave them different sizes for different fingers. Figured if I gave them to different people after I do the review. What is this? Oh, it's got these nice little cases. 4 of them. To keep the ring in when you got it out of the boxes. Okay. Let's see what this one is. I thought they'd forgot about me. They asked me if I wanted to review rings. I said, yeah, I'll do it. Because I like jewelry. And they told me to pick 4 of them out. And I thought they'd forgot about me, man. That's been quite a long time ago. This has got the emblem you see there. Oh, I hope you can see it. It's the same emblem all the way around the ring. I think I can see, man. I've got the wrong glasses on right now. Yeah, it is. So if you can see that emblem. I can't see the camera. There, maybe you can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in and I can get back here in the light that way. I don't know, man. Yeah, I think you can see it now. Freaking cheap ass camera won't focus. Hopefully you're seeing that. There, finally. I'm not sure what that emblem is, but I think it's pretty cool. If we wear that one, yeah. Maybe over here. This ring my daughter gave me. It's like a belt buckle type thing, if you can see it there. This is a Tiffany & Company. This ring costs a lot of money. I doubt, let me get it oriented right, I doubt you'll be able to read any of that crap. But this ring, that ring my daughter gave me, it's very expensive. Now I have a couple more that my mom gave me. I always like jewelry and chains and that kind of goodies. Alright. Look for a review to come on these. I'm just going to put them all back in the box. And then I really thought that company forgot about sending these to me, because that's been quite a long time ago when they asked me if I would be interested in doing it. And I'll tell you their name and the website and link you to their site and everything on that video. It's coming, review on these. Watch for it. Hold on. So there's you a little bit of an unboxing. I wish I'd remembered, man, before I opened this first box, but I don't know. Shit just happens so fast around here, man. So frequently. I mean, it goes by. It's like banjo playing. Banjo playing goes by very fast. You know, if you're trying to pick out a certain note or whatever's going on, you better slow it down, because it goes by really quick. That's the way everything does here. I've been working on plumbing all day long today. In fact, a couple of days now. And I've got to work on it tomorrow again. The patrons know about all of it. Like the kitchen sink started leaking, the drain, fixed that. Bathroom sink faucet started to leak, had to replace all that new. Then the drain in the bathroom started to leak, fixed all that. Commode stopped up first. I thought, that's weird, man. You know, then after the commode stopped up, the sewer stopped up. And in the second bathroom, the tank that holds the water sets up on the commode. The bolts rusted and broke off. Wow, I've lived here 30 years, man. Never had that much shit the whole 30 years. It's what's happened this month. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging with me. There's your unboxing video. Hope you liked it. I don't know what's coming up next. Maybe a Stratocaster coming real soon. And maybe a D28, HD28 Martin. I'm not sure about that guitar. I ain't even sure about the Stratocaster, but watch for it. If they come, we will fix them. And again, let me say again, my apologies, man, to all of you that email me and PM me. I appreciate it. Keep them coming. Because, you know, that just urges me on to keep making videos. You know, if you like the videos, just keep sending the shit, and the videos will continue as long as I'm healthy enough to do it. Keep up. So thank you guys, and I got one more little fix for you, and then I'm out of y'all. Oh yeah, you try this new beer yet? Check this out, man. If you haven't tried it yet and you like beer, you might want. I don't know if you're seeing it or not. I mean, I'd like for you to see what the bottle looks like. It's Budweiser Copper Lager, and it is very good. Jim Beam, it says. So I don't know if Jim Beam makes it or Budweiser, but it's very good beer. I don't know if it's a seasonal thing or if you're going to be able to get it all the time. How you can get it all the time, because it's really good. Alright, one more fix for you, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers to you. Thanks for watching. Our YouTube family been asking about you. Turn around here and say, I love you. I love you. What? What? Yo, good. We love you. What is it? What? good, good.